Now, technical leader of Jamaica's team for the upcoming World Under-20 Athletics Championships, David Riley, has described the 44-member team selected for the championships as a strong unit. National junior record holders Shanoya Douglas and Gary Card headline Jamaica's team for the championships, which will be held from August 5 to 9 in Eugene, Oregon in the USA. Douglas is the current world leader in the Under-20 girls 100 and 200 meters with the times of 10.98 seconds and 22.11, which is also a national junior record. Card sits atop the world rankings in the Under-20 boys 100 meters with 9.93. Joseph Salmon is also atop the rankings in the Under-20 boys discus with 67.55 meters, while Tiana Marshall is ranked 4th in the women's 100-meter hurdles. Riley gave his thoughts on the squad selected for the championships.
You know, it is the team that we have available based on the athletes that reported and based on their fitness. So it is a strong team, and we are going to Oregon with all intents and purposes to represent us well. And these athletes are certainly among our best, if not the best, in some of the events. And we certainly will go out there and do our best.
Meanwhile, even though the official J3's press release on the team selected noted reserves will not travel to Eugene, Riley sought to explain that there will be exceptions.
Athletes who may not travel, but if you're in an event, you can be in a particular event, but you're reserved for another event. That's just from an administrative standpoint. But if you're a reserve right across the board, then that's a different situation. And we have to name reserves because those slots are on the entry portal for us to put someone in there in the event that we have to substitute someone who's entered. So it's a standard for all the meets, whether it be World Under-20, World Senior Championships, or the Olympics. It's the same concept for reserves.
Jamaica secured 4 gold and 1 silver at the 2024 edition of the championships in Lima, Peru, to finish 4th overall on the medal table.